guys, Aussie Total Parts Pro today, the 2023 Audi LDV G10, stock number 6695. This ran from the 7th, 2021 to the current shape. It has an SV7C 2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is the SV7C 2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight, left front guard no dents, left front 16-inch flat galvanized tyre, left hand door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 16-inch flat galvanized tyre, left hand door mirror, left hand door no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch flat galvanized tyre, right front door carb, right front master switch, manual gear shifter, heated AC controls, factory touchscreen satnav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy lock sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-speed vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,